Convert the decimal to fraction form. When converting the decimal to fraction form, let's see how many places we are taking up with our decimal. We have tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So if we were to rewrite this as a fraction, it would be 13 wholes and 375 thousandths. But that does not match any of our answer choices because it's far too big of a fraction. It needs to be simplified. So you could divide your numerator and denominator by multiples of 5. You could do 5, 25, 50 until you get it simplified enough to match one of your answer choices, but I'm going to show you a much faster and easier way to do this problem. You could also solve this problem by just comparing all of these fractions to 1/2. If we look at our decimal, we have 13.3. Just look at this part for right now. We know that 0.5 is equal to 1/2, and 0.3 is less than 0.5. So our decimal here, the fraction that will represent this decimal, is also going to be less than 1/2. So let's take a look at all of our answer choices and see which fractions are less than 1/2. Here we have 3/8. What would be half of 8? Half of 8 is 4. Is 3 less than 4? Yes, it is. So this is less than 1/2. For the next one, 7 is greater than 4. So this is actually greater than 1/2. And I'll actually put the 4/8 there too so you can see. Down here, 5/8 is greater than 1/2 or 4/8. And then here, half of 13 is a bit tricky. What we'll estimate with that, we'll say it's about 6 out of 13. 6 would be half of 12, but not quite half of 13. 8, either way, is definitely greater than 1/2 or 6 out of 13. So we can eliminate all three of these answer choices and see that our first answer option is the correct choice.